alive, we should keep the burning fire of our fraternity. Happy 51st founding anniversary. I'm Kimidar R. Kenyano, the Grand Scriptor of Accor in Action from Zeta Lambda C Chapter under 3rd District Sabuan Norte Council. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat at happy 51st founding anniversary sa buong mundo. Long live Skipton, long live Alpha Kaparo. Hello.
Always keep out romance harness organization. I'm Kikimid R. Kenyano, the master initiator of Zeta Lambda C Chapter. Happy 51st